ya mwela kuzoa kwa mazimwangala a Bulozi eluikumusa kayona kinako hape lumitisizanga litukiso za Makande Mwa Silozi meruka kenela fela malitoho zepanga Makande. Bang'oli bo CHILIMO balumbile BAYEMELI ba MUSO mwa Bulozi. MOFNP IBILE ni MUKOPANO wa MILELO ya SILIMO sa 2027 mamongo. Katengo kaliswanelo za batu kafile PIZO ya MISEBEZI YETOMAHANI faliswanelo za BABANCA. Ni Makande kakutala mubali kina Mike Moya. Bang'oli babahulu mwali kolo la Community Development and Social Services Technical Services wo Beatrice CHILIMO bapotezi bang'oli babahulu mwa Bulozi wo simomo akapelwa kakuba kalulo yabona ya kupotela Bulozi. Kwambola kwa poto ye la 16 skulu SILIMO sa 2026 bo CHILIMO balumbile kuba hande kwa mali ashimbiwanga kitamaiso kuhula kwa NJIMO nitunda moya kutiseza PUKELEZO yasicho kakuyaha mabulukelo kapalishete zeoni halili chwalo bang'oli babahulu mwa Bulozi bosimomo akapelwa balumbile litukiso za liluko la social welfare kulemu hakuli kubile ni kukusufala kwa lipilailo kuzwelela kwa batu siwa kizona litusoze kuhula kwa kutulo ya mbonye ni butokwa bwa kuhulisa mabulukelo ya kutulo mwa Bulozi lote.
The Ministry of Community Development and Social Services says strengthening food security and improving the livelihoods of communities remain among government's key priorities. Technical Services Permanent Secretary Beatrice CHILIMO is in Western Province on a working visit. As part of her visit, the Permanent Secretary is expected to officiate at a groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of a storage facility in Mulunga before handing over 1 hammer mill and 10 treadle pumps.
We are here going to Mulunga. We will be helping them in groundbreaking into building the storage facility. Thereafter, we will be handing over 1 hammer mill and 10 treadle pumps.
She has commended Nkeema district for its impressive revenue collection, revealing that the local authority has generated about 1.5 million kwacha from the locally collected revenue.
Kehema is being upgraded to an extent where the little recoveries that they collected, they were able to raise 1.5 million. They did not just sit back to buy any equipment. They decided they should build sheds because they realized that they didn't have enough storage for their farming inputs.
And Western Province Permanent Secretary Smomo Akapelwa says government interventions in the social welfare sector continue to yield positive results, with a noticeable decline in complaints from beneficiaries.
The feedback from the ground is all right. We have had a reduction of complaints from the beneficiaries of the services. You are recovering now from the people, and the money is being plowed back into the same communities. Therefore, the people then will see the benefit of paying back duly, and because they think it's helping, it's a revolving fund. We have increased maize production, but our trajectories, we are going towards the 10 million metric ton.
Thank you.
Just the recent harvest has given us a lot of problems of storage.
Yes.
So we have to increase the storage capacity countrywide, even here in Western Province.
Likolo la Finance and National Planning libile ni mukopano otali mafa kwa muhela miupulo kuzwelela kwa likwata kwa manani milelo yanaha ya SILIMO sa 2027 kuya 2031. Kwa mbola kwa mukopano, bang'oli babahulu mwa Bulozi bo akapelwa simomo batalusize kuli mihupulo yefitiswa iswanela kubona kuhula kuchimbula kolo ya makete tutoni mezi mane ni kukwalula sifumu mwa Bulozi kubona kuli litakazo za batu zaboniswa. Bang'oli babahulu basepsize tundamo ya MUSO kwa kutisazolo pili ya Medium Term Revenue Strategy MTRS kabukuswani yana Zambia ili ya lilimo zeketa lizoho.
Stakeholders in Western Province have met with the Ministry of Finance and National Planning to give input into the 2027 national budget and the new 5-year revenue strategy.
Government priority is that we remain committed to consult each and everyone, province by province. As we speak, other people from the ministry are also in other provinces such as the Copper Belt and in Northern Province, and we will continue until all the provinces are consulted.
If we are coming to talk about the budget for 2027, and also we are here to talk about the medium-term strategy for the next 5 years, particularly for Western Province, we need to be able to make realistic contributions and submissions.
Western Province Permanent Secretary Simon Mwakapera was the guest of honor at the event.
The national budget serves as a critical instrument in achieving the visions of our people. For Western Province, the budget must be fully devoted to propelling inclusive growth, improving access to health, education and water, and unlocking the economic potential of our province.
He said government is developing the medium-term revenue strategy, MTRS, the country's first evidence-based plan to create a broader tax base.
Government has embarked on the development of the medium-term revenue strategy, MTRS in short. For Zambia, this first MTRS is a 5-year evidence-based roadmap to build a broad-based tax system. A critical output of the MTRS is the proposed tax administration bill. This new law is designed to ease tax compliance, reduce administrative hurdles for our businesses, and ensure that our revenue collection processes are fair and transparent, an important step for our traders in the Mungu main market and across the province.
The PS expressed confidence that, working together, the province can contribute to achieving National Vision 2030, a prosperous, inclusive and sustainable Zambia. NJIMO, Bulozi TV News, Mongo, Western Province.
Squattasa Adventist Development and Relief Agents ADRA kabukusani katukiso yakatengo ka Transformative Emergency Response for Nutrition Improvement in Zambia te niza kabukusani sisepsizeta mahano ya squatta kwa kuchimbula sicho ni kutiseza PUKELEZO kwa miaha mwahalali lalanda zeziyelehile masikiliti sa SIOMA. Sepisoye itile squatta nesivile ni MUKOPANO ni liluko la NJIMO ni MAKETE ili kutatuba kuzwela pili kwa yona tuksoye. Babahulu mwa NJIMO mwa SIOMA bochipobe hangoba batungunyuzi kuli muhupulo utalima ahulu fabashemi babanyisa babancha mane ni balimi bao baziyelehile.
The Transformative Emergency Response for Nutrition Improvement in Zambia Teniza project, which is funded by the Development Bank of Germany KfW through the World Food Programme WFP and is being implemented by the Adventist Development and Relief Agency ADRA, conducted a review meeting with Departments of Agriculture and Health in SIOMA District. Senior Agriculture Officer for SIOMA Chipobe Hangomba highlighted that the project is targeting lactating mothers and adolescents.
Under the Teniza project, the target beneficiaries are pregnant mothers, lactating mothers, and also in homes where there are adolescents, where they are looking at the nutrition aspect, where farmers are being trained in food processing and nutrition.
The project is set to benefit 4,500 households, as well as establish 5 irrigation systems at schools to boost nutrition in the school feeding program, and Mr. Hangomba confirmed the agriculture extension officers are involved in the smart agriculture implementation.
At field level, or should I say camp level, it's the camp extension officers that are implementing the project. They are the ones that are training the lead farmers who will in turn train other follower farmers. So under Ministry of Agriculture, we are collaborating with the project to implement those areas. In those areas, the irrigation in schools and also agriculture, that is climate smart agriculture in the camps.
Yes, so working hand in hand with the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of Health, yes, so that we can achieve one objective, which is improving nutrition in our district SIOMA.
The TENISA project aims to build climate resilience, improve nutrition for vulnerable smallholder farmers and communities. Ndopu Sendoi reporting.
Katengo kaliswanelo za vatu kafile PIZO ya kekezo ya MISEBEZI ya MAKETE yesileleza liswanelo ni kufa babanca linji mwa bwiketelo kwa manani bwino wabona kwambola kwa MUKOPANO otali mafami lao ni litava za babanca kuva nikolo kwa MAKETE baba buona za lipatisiso mwaliluko la liswanelo za vatu bo Charity Lange vatalusize kuli pabalelo ya MAKETE kiswanelo ya mwana kaufela usina ketululo volange batolokile kuli babanca bananiswanelo ya kwinga kabelo mwalitavaze amabupilo wabona kwekeza kuli maikuto abona aswanela kutalimwa akwambolwa zevaama.
The Human Rights Commission Investigations Officer Charity Lange has emphasized that every person has the right to access quality health care without discrimination, regardless of their background. Speaking during a consultation workshop on the law on consent for children and young people to access health services, Ms. Lange said that healthcare access is a fundamental human right that must be enjoyed by all. She said, individuals seeking medical services deserve to be treated with dignity and respect, while calling for inclusive healthcare system that upholds human rights and ensure adolescents are actively involved in decisions affecting their health.
When you look at adolescent health care and HIV testing, these are linked to human rights issues such as right to health, dignity, privacy, information, equality, and participation. You must participate. Let the adolescents participate in matters that affect them.
Principal Gender Division Emma Piri and Zambia Police Headquarters in the Department of Victim Support Edgar Kazembe notes the importance of creating a system that protects children while empowering adolescents to realize their rights to their highest attainable standard of health.
Also in their churches, they will make sure they will raise awareness to make sure no one should be left out or no one should fall prey to be a victim of what we are discussing. And just sensitizing them, knowing them where to access, especially on the issue of referral pathways.
We have to create or establish networks where we involve men and boys, because in most cases we only target women and girls.
Other stakeholders, among them Youth Advocate Executive Director Tatenda Songore, UNAIDS Zambia HIV Prevention Acceleration Lead Florence Hamawa, and DIVO's Regional Sexual and Reproductive Health and Rights Funds Program Manager Limpo Chinika has this to say.
We have so many differences amongst ourselves in terms of how we perceive access to sexual reproductive health services for adolescents, girls and young women, even for boys as well. But one thing is clear, the triple threat becomes an end result if we don't prevent any, or if we prevent access to services when they are needed.
And I think there are also certain places that are quite disadvantaged, and also I think it's an opportunity for us to be able to see where the areas where we need to concentrate our efforts better, and also just be able to appreciate the gains that have been made so far.
We hope that going forward, the investments before, like towards 2030, should be around HIV prevention. We all know about PrEP, and we hope that there could be more choices and more options on PrEP and availability of PrEP, especially for young people.
Margaret Chota, Bulozi TV News in Lusaka.
lukaishumusa ainyani halukakuta lukazela pili matukusa ya luna.
HealthNest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At HealthNest Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mongo and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At HealthNest Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongo. Contact us on +2609729 926521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. HealthNest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRSC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no kind of violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We are on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Makande Mwa as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mungu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority IBA and carried by TopStar on DTT Channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921 or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Buyuana compound off Kagrava Road in Mungu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Lwitumezi kuinani lunami lwaikeza. Squattasa Agricultural and Commercial Cooperative Society of Zambia stalusize kuli lipona hazo za njimo za bu 98 za SILIMO se likabe ali business fahali ya kukwalula sifumu sanjimo yana ha Zambia. Kwambola kwa babihiba Makande baeteleli baskwata se bo Rene Lawrence batalusize kuli lizazi le la SILIMO ne SILIMO liekelize kuba nikolo ya kubabaza njimo yana ha Zambia kuvisa bali business ni kutisa MISEBEZI kwa maluko ashutana ya sufumu. Bo Lawrence baziba halize kuli lizazi la SILIMO se likazwe la pili kuzwa la 29 July kuyala 3 August kamkanga oli fostering trade and investment.
It's a cornerstone of the Zambian calendar, promoting growth in agriculture and the wider economy. Agriculture remains the backbone of Zambia's economy, and the agricultural and commercial show stands as a proud testament to how trade in this sector drives our nation's development. This annual gathering in this 98th edition is more than an exhibition. It serves as a marketplace of ideas, innovations and opportunities. By showcasing our crops, livestock and agro products to both local and international buyers, we have opened doors to new markets, generated foreign exchange and empowered our farmers to adopt modern practices that have in turn increased their productivity and translating into our food security. This show positions Zambia as a reliable supplier within the region, while also encouraging diversification and resilience in our agricultural sector. Beyond regional trade, the show is a catalyst for industrial growth, rural transformation.
Lwitumezi babuhiba luna babalatea likandelali likoni kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukuse aluna miluka ikupuza hape litoho zinezipanga Makande. Bang'oli bo CHILIMO balumbile BAYEMELI ba MUSO mwa Bulozi. MOFNP ibile ni MUKOPANO wa MILELO ya SILIMO sa 2027 mamongo. Katengo kaliswanelo za batu kafile PIZO ya MISEBEZI YETOMAHANI faliswanelo za BABANCA. Lwitumezi mwakona kuvuhatukso ye nilitukso za luna kaufela fa TopStar Channel 120 mwalibaka sasona sina mongo limulunga nalolo Lusaka Chongwe Chilanga libaka zemwe mwasenanga Kalabo Rufusa Mane nilibaka zenzima bapa kapa mwakona kulufumana falikepela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV fapila bomanjenela kina Mike Moya minili kozo.